Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. Building on the strong foundation set by its predecessor, the DJI Mini4 Pro offers an enhanced yet familiar experience for drone enthusiasts. Maintaining the lightweight, foldable design and regulation-friendly 249g takeoff weight, the Mini4 Pro continues to impress with its portability and ease of use. While the 1/1.3-inch sensor remains unchanged, it still delivers exceptional image quality, making it ideal for both novice and experienced users. Though not a revolutionary upgrade from the Mini3 Pro, it brings subtle improvements that make it a compelling choice for those new to the Mini series or upgrading from older models. Number 2. DJI Mini3. If you're a first-time buyer, the DJI Mini3 is an excellent budget-friendly drone that delivers impressive performance. Compact and lightweight, it's significantly more affordable than the Mini4 Pro, making it an ideal choice for novice pilots. While it lacks the advanced obstacle avoidance features of its pricier counterpart, confident flyers will find it offers superb 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and stunning JPEG and RAW images thanks to its 12MP sensor, which can rotate for portrait shots, perfect for social media. The Mini3 skips on log color profiles, limiting its appeal to professionals, but it does include DJI's QuickShots for automated flight paths, making it easy for beginners to capture dynamic video sequences. With optional controllers, downward vision sensors, and GPS for precise hovering, the Mini3 is a fantastic entry point into the world of drones. Number 3. DJI Air3. Nestled comfortably between DJI's Mini series and the Mavic Pro series, the DJI Air3 stands out as a versatile drone that balances portability and power. While novices might lean towards the lighter Mini3 for its ease of handling, the Air3, with its 720g takeoff weight, offers superior wind resistance and an impressive 46-minute flight time. Its intuitive interface and advanced safety features, including obstacle avoidance, make it accessible for beginners. Classified under Europe's C1 category, it requires adherence to specific flight restrictions, but its new 3x telephoto lens allows you to capture detailed shots from a safe distance. Additionally, the Air3's dual-camera setup delivers exceptional image quality, although its fixed aperture lenses might challenge videographers in changing light conditions. Overall, the Air3's enhanced versatility and performance make it a compelling choice for both amateur and experienced drone enthusiasts. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI's Mavic 3 Pro stands as a testament to cutting-edge drone technology, earning accolades for its unparalleled versatility and performance. This top-tier aerial device features a groundbreaking triple-camera system, making it the go-to choice for professional photographers and filmmakers. Its primary camera boasts a 20MP 4/3 sensor, delivering stunning image quality with adjustable aperture and pro-level video capabilities. Complementing this are 2 telephoto cameras, offering 3x and 7x zoom for capturing distant subjects with remarkable clarity. Despite its advanced features, the Mavic 3 Pro remains user-friendly, equipped with robust safety features and intuitive controls. While its premium price and weight may deter beginners, it offers an unmatched blend of portability and professional-grade functionality, making it a worthy investment for serious drone enthusiasts. Number 5. DJI AVAT 2. The DJI AVAT 2 elevates the first-person drone experience, combining user-friendly features with advanced capabilities. During our review, we found the AVAT 2 remarkably intuitive, thanks to the new Easy ACRO mode that simplifies aerial maneuvers for beginners. The updated Motion Controller 3 offers seamless operation and precise control, ideal for indoor flight, though a left-handed option would be a welcome addition. For seasoned pilots, the DJI Remote Controller 3 allows for full manual flight, enhancing the drone's versatility. The AVAT 2's streamlined design not only extends flight times to 23 minutes but also reduces noise. Enhanced by a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 10-bit D-Log-M support, The drone captures stunning 4K/60p footage with improved dynamic range. The upgraded DJI Goggles 3 deliver crisp, clear video transmission, making obstacle detection easier and safer. For those venturing into FPV flight, the AVAT 2 stands out as a premier choice. Number 6. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2, released in late 2020, continues to be an excellent choice for budding aerial photographers and videographers. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry in a backpack, and its lightweight 249G frame exempts it from FAA registration in the US. Sharing the intuitive control scheme of other DJI drones, it is user-friendly for beginners while offering advanced features for seasoned flyers. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and a range of up to 10 kilometers, the Mini 2 ensures extended exploration. Its stabilized camera captures 4K video at 30 frames per second and 12MP stills, delivering impressive image quality. However, the absence of obstacle avoidance sensors means new users should practice in open spaces to avoid mishaps. Despite this, the DJI Mini 2 remains a stable, nimble, and quieter option for aerial enthusiasts. Number 7. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic offers a streamlined yet robust alternative to the flagship Mavic 3, shedding the telephoto camera to bring down the price while maintaining top-tier features. Its standout 4.3 CMOS sensor ensures stunning image quality, making it a superb choice for serious videographers. Although not aimed at beginners, the Mavic 3 Classic is equipped with advanced flight capabilities like collision avoidance, subject tracking, and automated quickshots, making it user-friendly and reliable. While it lacks the 1TB SSD and Apple ProRes of the Cine edition, its ability to capture 5.1K video in normal, HLG, and 10-bit profiles will satisfy most creative needs. If ultimate image quality in a foldable drone is your goal, the Mavic 3 Classic stands out as the premier option. Number 8. Emac's Tiny Hawk 2. The Emac's Tiny Hawk 2 is a fantastic entry-level racing drone that strikes a balance between performance and ease of use, perfect for those eager to dive into the world of FPV, first-person view, flying. While it doesn't quite reach the blistering speeds of high-end racing drones, it offers impressive agility and responsiveness. Beginners will appreciate its durable build, which can withstand the inevitable learning curve crashes. Unlike many DIY models, the Tiny Hawk 2 is ready to fly right out of the box, eliminating the hassle of assembly and intricate setup. This makes it an excellent choice for aspiring drone racers who want a smoother, less frustrating start.